Alhamdulillah, this will be our first girls' school in Kabul.
Let me tell you about my happiness. I get my happiness from Islam.
It has around 14 classrooms.
It makes me kind and a better human. Oh, please come with me and I'll show you why. I smile because I'm happy. I'm a Muslim, that's what makes me happy.
It has many kitchens and many bathrooms.
Because I have the noble Quran and that's where I get my rooms.
This is the first kitchen in the first floor.
And he is the forgiving one. Because I'm happy and I have the sunnah which dictates of my life.
This is the bathroom, but the lights are off.
In Islam we have one God.
This is the first floor going to the second floor.
We are taught to love them.
In the second floor, there are 5 or 6 classrooms.
Don't believe what you hear about Islam. I smile because I'm happy. I'm a Muslim, that's what makes me happy, and that's the truth. Because I'm happy, because I have the noble Quran, and that's where I get my rules. Because I'm happy, because my Lord is merciful.
And also, this place needs carpets, tables, books, and all school supplies.
Dictates what my life should do. I just wanna tell the world that we're happy.
And this is another section. It has a couple classrooms.
We just wanna help cause we're one big family. I'm a Muslim, that's what makes me happy, and that's the truth. Because I'm happy.
It also has a kitchen and another bathroom.
That's where I get my rules. Because I'm happy, because my Lord is merciful and he is the forgiving one. Because I'm happy and I have the sunnah which dictates what my life should do. Because I'm happy, I'm a Muslim, that's what makes me happy, and that's the truth. Because I'm happy, because I have the noble Quran, and that's where I get my rules. Because I'm happy, because my Lord is merciful and he is the forgiving one. Because I'm happy and I have the sunnah which dictates what my life should do. I'm so happy, I'm a Muslim.
And this is the roof section.
Let me tell you about my happiness. I get my happiness from Islam.
This is the roof. It has 2 sections. This is one section and that is another section. And it has the solar system, and all the electricity is running on the solar system. We need your help to run these places. Please donate generously.
Because I'm happy, because I have the noble Quran, and that's where I get my rules. Because I'm happy, because my Lord is